Hey, it's Jeremiah, Affordable Mobility Solutions. We got this 2012 Chevy Express. This is the second time we owned it. They have sold it to a family up in Montana. They owned it for about 2 years, put 10,000 miles on it. They put some brand new tires on the front. The rear tires still have about 30 seconds of tread left on it. Nothing has changed. They've taken great care of this van. They took pride in it. They did a little bit of body work and paint work just to make it look a little sharper. It's a super clean van inside now. So I'm gonna show you this up front. 161 on the miles now, but thing looks dang near brand new inside. We did get rid of the backup camera. It was, to be honest, it was a junk backup camera. It hardly ever worked. That is no longer with the vehicle. But check us out. Let us know if you have any questions, and I'll turn you over to the original video. Good afternoon. My name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2012 Chevy Express 3500 side entry. This has got a lift on it, a wheelchair lift. Door slides wide, right open is manual, very easy to do. To operate this lift, you have to have the lift on. Make sure you turn that lift off when you're not using it. Save your battery. But then to get it down, we hit deploy. There's only 4 buttons here. Deploy, you can see it comes down. Once we're down to that level, we hit down. Pretty simple. Takes it all the way down to the ground. That lift is 32 inches wide, 43 inches deep. Coming inside the van, there's 48 inches of headroom. Once you're inside the van, there's 53 inches of headroom. So once you got a control there to operate the lift. Once you're on the lift, we go back up. And you see you got the flap there to keep your wheelchair from rolling off, a great safety feature. Roll the wheelchair in, and you've got the 4 upgraded Q-strength tie downs. These are great, easy to use. It's got your seat belt right there as well for the got the strap up there for the shoulder harness. And I tell you what, this interior, it is in great shape. The gentleman owned this van came from northern Florida. Very clean. Look how clean this carpet is. I mean, this van just is immaculate for the age. It's got your rear air controls, plenty of vents. Headliner looks brand new. He just kept this van up like no other. The dash is in great shape. It's got your backup camera there. Got the air works great. I'll show you that here in just a minute. Plenty of cup holders. You know, if you wanted to park a chair back here and transfer over to the driver's seat, it's got quite a bit of room in between there. So if you want to transfer over and drive the vehicle yourself so you can be completely independent, that's an option as well. So when you got everybody secure, of course, I'll shut this from the outside, but I'm going to take it back down. Hit the down button. And now I don't need to go all the way down. I'll just step off here. And we'll stow it all back up. And then we hit stow. Pretty simple. So the left side is up. We got up and stow. The right side is down and deploy. So whichever you'd like to do there. Set the remote back in here. We've also got the manual jack there in case it ever has issues. You can crank it down from the back side. Turn it off. Slide the door shut. You're ready to roll. The exterior of the van's got tinted windows. It's got a few spots I can see a little bit of paint work was done up here. The tires are like brand new Coopers all the way around. Nice name brand tire, ton of tread, like 30 seconds left on them. It's got your running boards on the side. This paint is in pretty darn good shape. I'll show you the small blemishes I see in it. But overall, the paint still shines. No major body damage. Certainly, I'm having a few small dents. I see a small, looks like someone got them with a door ding about right here, about 2 inches big. So I'm not trying to portray this as a perfect van, but it's been very well taken care of. I did see one spot up here, looks like a little bit of touch-up paint up there. But as you can tell, the van still looks great. And I'll show you the rest of it. It's got your tow package down there as well. So if you got a boat or a trailer with this 1-ton van, you're good to go. We always show you the VIN number on the vans. That way you know the vehicle's here in our possession. This is not some internet scam. So I'll show you the VIN number. That way you know I got the van right here in my possession. We always show you the roof too. That way you know it's not all dented up or beat up or anything like that. So what we do with that VIN number, I pay to have a Carfax on every one of our vehicles. You can see just 4 owners, 25 service records. You can see this vehicle has been serviced regularly. No accidents or damage. Carfax shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands in the title. They show no total loss, so it's not one of the super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. It's a clean title with no accidents. Carfax shows no structural damage, airbags have never been deployed, Odometer shows to be accurate. No accidents or damage, and no open recalls. And as we scroll down here, you can see this vehicle has been serviced religiously. This is exactly what we're looking for in a used vehicle. That's an A+ Carfax report. And no matter who you do business with, find them online. Check out the reviews. You can see we have 1,080 reviews online, 100% positive feedback on eBay. It's 1,080 people said we did them right, and 0 people said we did them wrong. Also, no matter who you do business with, look them up online. Make sure they're a real company. Make sure you're not sending your money to a scammer overseas posing as a seller here. If you do that, you'll never get your money back. The police will not help you. Your credit card company will not help you. So be aware of those scams. Also, check out our reviews. 4.8 out of 5-star reviews. Here, a lot of people say, you know, they got a raw deal from certain mobility dealers, and I know those mobility dealers, and they have 1 and 2 and 3-star ratings. So if you want to do business with people like that, you go right on ahead. If you want 5-star vehicles with 5-star service, you give me a call. So this van comes with a keyless entry. It's got 4 keys on here. So as far as keys, you're good to go for a while. I'm on the interior. I'm a non-smoker, and this gentleman who owned it last is a non-smoker, but you can just see how clean this interior is. It's pretty impressive for a vehicle that's almost 10 years old to be this clean, this nice. I am super impressed, and I know you will be. So when I go to turn the van on, fires right up. You can see all the dummy lights working. All those dummy lights go out. There's no check engine lights on, no airbag lights, no ABS, none of that. Current mile is 151,737, and these kind of blink through the camera. They're only doing that through the camera. It's how the camera perceives that lighting or something like that. In real life, they're solid as a button. Got the tow package on there in case you want to tow that boat or a trailer. If the radio works fine, we got our backup camera on here. We're waiting on the backup camera for a mount. You can see we got the backup camera there. And I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. We've tested all the power mirrors, the power windows, the power locks, the heat, the air, the cruise. I'll show you the power mirror over there. Belts, hoses, suspension, steering, tires, replace fluids as necessary. You can see up here in the corner it shows next oil change is due at 155,000 miles. So it's got fresh oil in it. Let me pop the hood so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood, engine idles smoothly. No signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks, and it purrs like a kitten. And as I crawl underneath the van, you can see very clean. No signs of any damage from an accident. No signs of any rust from a flood, you know, being up northeast. The air conditioner drips. That's just water. I mean, that's light coming through. But the air conditioner drips as well. It's normal. But everything looks good. No rust, no bent metal. And that's the #1 mistake people make when buying used vehicles. They assume things. They assume because it looks nice in pictures. They assume because the salesman was nice to them. They assume it runs and drives good. They assume it's, you know, not all rusted out. And I tell you what, go check out my competition's website. That's right, I'm sending you to the competition. Do they have pictures, much less videos of the undercarriage to show you you're not buying a rust bucket? There's a spare tire, by the way. And there's a reason for that. I know they buy these vans from New York and Chicago. They buy them north, and they're super rusty. They take a can of spray paint, they spray paint over all that rust, and they sell it to you. And I'm telling you what, that is not the way to go. So demand a detailed video like this, and if you buy a vehicle that's all rusted out, it may not pass inspection in your state, and if it doesn't pass inspection, you cannot register it. You just bought a paperweight. So demand a detailed video, demand a Carfax report, demand a warranty. This van comes with a 90-day warranty, good anywhere in the United States. And finally, get online, look them up, make sure you're buying from a real company, and look at their reputation so you know who you're buying from. Okay, the final portion of the video, I always like to get the vans out on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive the Chevy home, we've done our due diligence, we've made sure that it's roadworthy, it's got good acceleration, that it runs and drives good. See if I can get up to about 70 miles an hour here. I got the cruise control set, cruise works good. The steering wheel is nice and straight, no unusual vibration or noise. The van runs and drives very nice down the highway. We also had this vehicle inspected through a company called Lemon Squad before I bought it. So it's already been looked at a mechanic, then we had it shipped to us, then my mechanics looked at it, so it's been checked out by 2 different sets of mechanics. And also we have our 90-day warranty. We do have warranties also that go further long-term than that. They not only protect the van, but also the conversion of the lift. Those are a great investment to help protect your investment. And also keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers have a real nice price online First of all, they don't have free shipping like we do. Have you checked the price of diesel fuel, what it costs to put a 1-ton van on the back of a trailer and ship it a few states away? It's very expensive. And have you ever had to deal with a shipping company? They're not easy to deal with. Let me handle all that for you. You sit back and relax. I'll take care of that at no additional charge to you. And also, you start looking at other dealers, they've got a bunch of hidden fees. They've got that nice price online. Then they got administrative fees, document fees, tag fees. Next thing you know, they got $1,000 in fees or $500 administrative fee. And you combine that with shipping, and next thing you know, you got $2,000 or $3,000 more on the to get the vehicle to your house than you weren't expecting. So don't fall for that. Don't pay those hidden fees. Nice hard brake, by the way. No grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. So once again, exactly what we're looking for. And back to those fees, you know, if someone's got a bunch of hidden fees they don't tell you about, what else are they hiding from you? Is it salvage title? Is it flood damage? Is it mechanical issues? You know, I don't know. I just know if people aren't being transparent from the get-go, there's a really good chance there's some other things they're hiding. And yes, we do have financing available. We can send an application to your cell phone or email. And if computers aren't your thing, pick up the phone, give me a call. I'm happy to take, won't take 5 minutes. We can get an application over the phone. And if you want to give us a phone call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. And if texting is easier for you, here's my cell phone number, 316-518-4377. I am the owner. You now have my cell phone number. I challenge you to ask the competition, are they dedicated enough to customer service to give you the owner's cell phone number? Talk to the big brawn companies, the VMI, Mobility Works, United Access, Freedom Motors. See if they'll give you the owner's cell phone number. Are they dedicated enough to customer service to do that? Because I am. And also, if you want to call the competition and talk to a used car salesman who's probably going to call you 5 times a day to ask if you're ready to make a deal, you go right ahead and do that. If you want absolutely zero pressure sales and you want to deal directly with the owner, give me a call, because I'm just here to give you information to help you make the best decision for you and your family or your business. And I'm going to sell this van whether you buy it or not. I promise you there's absolutely no pressure. We do take trade-ins, even from across the country, whether standard or mobility vehicle. Call me, I can explain how that works. And if you'd like to see our entire inventory with detailed videos just like this, free Carfax reports, and dozens of pictures so you know exactly what you're getting, check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.